Just doing a quick tutorial on how to do the high ponytail. These are what we use. We use the Freeze It Mega Freeze. You can get this at Walmart and Brookshire's. This close bristled brush, a comb, some bobby pins, 3 hair ties, and then the bow. I put the zip ties above and below where the hair tie is. So,
You know you can pause videos, right?
okay. So first we're going to start by just putting her hair all the way up. So you're going to use this brush. It helps create and get all those bumps out. The easiest way is to spray a little and then comb up. And you just continue all the way around. Do this way. So the typical ponytail is usually 3 to 4 fingers from the hairline. So it is literally on top of the head. So you really want to make sure you get all these little flyaways. So you just keep working until you've got all the bumps and everything out. And then we're going to take the rubber bands and you're going to stack them. First one. So this creates your stack for your hair bow to go in. So then you are going to put in your hair bow, and that just, I kind of put it anywhere in the middle of the stack. So you see that creates, so then you just go in, I did not get scissors, and zip tie. Alright, created your stack, and your bow now sits perfectly up front. So then you're going to take a little bit from the very back here. So the way to get your tease to stay is to spray a little, let it dry, and then you tease. So then you've kind of got this rat's nest. And then you're going to take a couple of bobby pins. And when you put in bobby pins, you're going to put the flat side down. So you're going to just kind of create a little bump here in the back. Then you're just going to start taking little sections. And you can either curl before you start to do this, or do this and then curl, it doesn't matter. But you're going to spray, spray. You want it to dry just a bit. And then you just tease. And then smooth. So that creates kind of the bump. And then you just go little section at a time. Spray, spray, and tease until you get it all done. And then you've got a little bit of a bump. And you've got your bow that sits straight up high on your forehead. And it does not move because we've got it zip tied in. Yes. The main thing is make sure you take scissors with you to the competition, because this bow will not come out unless you have scissors until you get home. So remember, you want your bow at least 3 to 4 fingers from your hairline. And that's it.